You guys are going to be making this amazing oil. This is carrot oil. A lot of people have been asking me that they want to learn how to make carrot oil at home. So if you're one of those people, then this video is for you guys. So let's look at the importance and the benefits of carrots to your skin. Carrots is filled with a lot of nutrients, and it also contains beta carotene, which is going to help to brighten your skin. It also contains vitamin A and vitamin B that are going to help with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. If you are the kind of person that gets reaction after using other oils due to the harsh chemicals in them, or you get white dots and uneven skin tone, then you want to watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to make this oil at home yourself at the comfort of your home. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, it's your girl once more. Here on this channel we talk about everything skincare, beauty and lifestyle. We also share tips on self-improvement. So if this sounds like any of the things you're interested in, please kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. One important thing about this oil is you can also use this oil on your face. This oil is going to brighten you guys. It's going to brighten you like no both on your face and on your body. So without taking much of your time guys, let's go straight into how to make your own carrot oil. Let me show you guys how I was able to make this oil. So let's go there. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using for my carrot oil. These are my ingredients. I have my carrots, well, very clean, and I've peeled the back already, as you guys can see, and I've washed them very well with salt. And then here is my oil. This is the oil I'm going to be using to extract the nutrients that are in this carrot into this oil in order to get my carrot oil. And this is 70 ml, so I'll be making 70 ml carrot oil. Make sure you measure your oil. And here is my grater. I'll be using it to grate the carrots into tiny pieces. And then here is my strainer. I'm going to use this to strain the oil and the chaff when I'm done making the oil. So guys, let's dive into why we're here. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and grate my carrots into smaller particles. I grate my carrots into this bowl. Sorry, this can be here. I'll grate them into smaller particles. So if you want to make for commercial purpose, you can get, let's say, 500 ml of oil, okay, and then you can get like, let's say, 15 to 20 pieces of medium carrots. Okay, so guys, you're going to grate them into this particle so that it will be easy for you to infuse them into the oil. Okay, please grate. Make sure you grate everything. Okay, make sure you grate everything. I'm just dropping this because of, for the sake of the video, just to save time, but make sure you grate all the carrots, all of it. And please don't forget to wash it thoroughly with salt and peel the back like I mentioned earlier before you start grating. Okay, so I'm going to just grate this and then we continue. So this is my grated carrots and I've transferred it into the pan, okay, because I'm going to be heating this up on a low heat. You can actually use either the infusion method. The only problem I have with the infusion method is if you infuse it, is going to go bad easily. It's not going to last for a longer period of time. So if you want to make it and use it within a short period of time, maybe a week or two, and you can save it in the fridge for 2 weeks later, then you can go ahead and use the infusion method, which means you just put this in a jar, a tight glass jar, and then you pour in your carrier oil depending on the type of oil you want to use, and then you keep it for, let's say, 2 to 3 days, so that the carrot will infuse into the oil. But I prefer to use the heating on medium heat method. So this is my oil. I've poured it into this the pan. I'm going to heat it on a very low heat. So if you are dark skin, you can use coconut oil, or if you want to use it as a hair oil, you can use coconut oil. But if you're light skin, please don't use coconut oil, okay? You can go with almond oil, any other oil, but not coconut oil. You can even go ahead and use this baby oil, because this baby oil doesn't contain any harsh chemical or additive in it. So you can use it as your carrier oil, so that you use it to infuse your carrot. So guys, let's go and heat this on a low heat, and then come back and continue with our video.
So guys, this is our oil. I'm going to be heating on a very low heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Please don't allow the heat to be too much. If not, it's going to kill all the nutrients in the carrot and you will have nothing left. Okay,
so this is what I have, you guys, after heating this up on a low heat, on a very low heat, guys. So you're going to allow the carrots to be crispy, not too dry, not too crispy, but a little bit crispy. Then you allow it to cool down. When it cools down, we're going to strain this. So we're going to allow it to cool down, then we're going to use our filter net to strain the oil. Okay, so don't allow it to cool down completely before you strain it. So you can just go ahead and strain it while it's a little bit warm. So I'll go ahead and use my straining net and put it over my container, and then I'll pour in my oil into the bowl so that I can strain it. Sorry, I don't have a smaller pot for this, and I just wanted to make a little quantity that can last me for 2 weeks. So remember, this is just 70 ml oil that we need here. Just 70 ml. Then you can go ahead and squeeze. Okay. Make sure you squeeze properly so that all the nutrients in the carrots will come out. And make sure you wash your hands. So my hands are already washed before I started doing this. So you guys can see our oil is ready, very rich in vitamin A, B, beta carotene. This oil is going to brighten your skin. And so this is the outcome, you guys, after filtering my oil. Okay, this is very easy, this is very simple. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're dark skin, you can use coconut oil, but if you're light skin, use almond oil or lavender oil. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching.